Sorry I'm late, just been for a dump. Right, so a Thwaites 5-ton dumper today, but before I show too much about the Thwaites dumper, I'd like to just say that yeah, unfortunately the weather's turned on us. Last week it was lovely and warm, and then this week now it's a dirty, bloody, shitty day. But yeah, got more important things to talk about. It's been a while since my last video because I did 2 videos that didn't work out quite right. One was the Case MXU 135 tractor. Yeah, unfortunately it's admittedly my fault. I didn't know how to drive the thing. So it's not the tractor's fault, it's mine. Yeah, I tried to get some videos of it, but I couldn't get it out of the low range gears. So I was going down the road and then I was being chucked around. Anyway, rubbernecking, see what's going on. But yeah, so that was the Case tractor, but that's gone now, so maybe I can do something with the footage, not too sure. Second one was a machine I was really excited about, but then there you go, he's back again, look. Yeah, so second one was a Cat 216 skid steer, and yeah, to be honest, I was excited about it because it was a rebuild, and it's a shame really because, you know, it was all masked up and it had been painted, looked as good as new. Had to, you know, demask it. Put the wheels back on. Put the cab back on, connected it all up. Put the rams back on. Big moment that. Yeah, and it was looking all good, and then guess what? Ran out of time, and then yeah, I didn't get a chance to finish it. But you know, see how it looks. I mean, you guys, I might chuck it in with this video. I don't know, but yeah, so far pretty good. So yeah, anyways, back to what we're talking about. This is the Thwaites 5-ton dumper. So I'm going to quickly walk you around and show you what's all this about. So it might look a little bit battered, but it's not really. It's working pretty good. It's only cosmetic, or it's only, you know, just a bit of paintwork really. So look, that's all that is. It's a sticker going over the top. There's nothing wrong with it. Obviously it's been to work. It's, I think, a 1998 model. Yes, 1998. How many hours has it got on the old clock? It doesn't quite show you here. Let's see if we can get that working. So 4,493. So yeah, 4,500. Not too bad. Not bad at all. Perkins engine. Once again, it's a swivel. So the beauty of a swivel is how versatile it is. Look, so you can tow an I4 Williams trailer if you need to. Not bad at all. Yeah, lovely thing. How you doing? Yeah, good. There you have it, video done, photos done, and I am just about done. Until next time.